wanna go out, but I can't leash you without it. Stop staring. I'm sorry, I can't leash you. Look. See, I can't leash you, little Bubble. I'm sorry. What do you think? I only tame Roger. Wait, I can leash him now. I want it. Pebble! What's more? Oh shit. Pebble. Pebble, come here. Oh, that was close. Do not fall, Pebble, because you're about to die if I crush you again. Why I can't tame Pebble? I have this research. I can't leash you, bud. I'm sorry. What do you want? Stop staring at me. Wala na. Big girl. Okay, I'm going to use some grass so I can wash him so perfectly. There we go. Is Pebble staring at me?
Oh my god. Look. Oh, pwede pala to.
Wala na. No! Pebble! Go back to your home, bro. Ay, aksadan. Ito wala war yan. Wala. Wait, no. I'm cooked. There we go. I can watch Pebble Edge. Bro!
Oh, here we go.
Is there something?
Oh, no.
What?
Your dog.
Get inside, you
Boom.
Hey. Now you go back to your bed. Get back to your home, bro. Oh my gosh. Pebble! Bro, you can't chat, you little. Get it close.
James, gusto mo turon?
Yes. Gusto ko palamig.
May
Pebble,
turon na
come
sila
here.
Aling Diday.
Come here.
Mas masarap yung turon nila eh.
Come here. Yes. Go back.
Kuya, ikaw na kumuha ng... Alam mo yung tindahan nila, ano? At
Final.
yung malagpas na tigiya. Alam mo yung bahay nila? Nila Diday, yung dating bahay nila. Ito galing mo.
I can watch it every day. While you're staring at me. Okay, Kuya, let's go to bed. Because it's night time.
15 ba yung kila, ano? Kuya? Kila Ate Ana?
10, 10 yun.
10 lang. Kasi dito kila
Yan. GG. GG. Sorry, buddy.
Shelf. Oh.
Why? Why? Mr. I trapped 2 of them. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, the sheep. Why you looking at me?
Yeah.
I made a dog house, but for Pebble. Okay, don't get there. Okay. Pebble is going other way. I'm going to let Ship see. Hi.
What about the store?
I'll put Cosmo. I forgot. I forgot who. I'm going to put the wait. I'm going to get my. Oh yeah, look! I made a brand new door so Pebble can go.
Oh
to
yeah.
my house explore.
Good. Then go to store. No.
Where's the chest? Okay.
Ginger Diamonds.
Ginger Cosmos Sprout. There are the shopper or bakery. What the flip?
Okay. Yeah.
I can't put them. He fall down the stairs. Cosmo! Okay, you guys are the bakeries, okay? Do not leave, Sprout. It's your own house. Ginger. I'm stuck. Bro, you guys are lying. What do I do wrong? What do I do wrong? What the heck? Stop. What do you want me to Why you just climb in there? You must use these, bro. What happened? Oh my gosh. Cosmo, you're up top to this. Oh. Ginger! Why? It's your own house, bro. It's all your own house. Ginger, no! Ginger, no! Come back to that stupid bakery. Okay, I'll just left her there. Kill him. No! Spawn again. No. Just chill. Ginger is gone. What the flip? Oh, he's behind in my house. Okay. Come here, Ginger. Wait, Ginger, wait. Oofy. Bye-bye.
One fun.
I'm going to... Shoot. I think Pebble is about to come. There we go. Okay, Cosmo, we're Sprout, we're Sprout.
Ginger. We got Ginger there.
Sprout, how many times I had to tell you?
Watch it again, bruh. Watch it again.
Sprout and Ginger. Sprout!
Wait a minute.
Sprout. Please go away. What did I do wrong? Why? Sprout, get out. Oh, shit. Cosmo, you good? You're going to add your friend here. And Sprout. Where is he? Oh my gosh. How many times I had to tell you, little shit? I can't kill this guy. The icon just... No!
I hate tree.
You hate trees? Why?
Cause no more space. I need to create this my swimming pool.
I'm going to break the window to add Sprout there. Because all the bakery cookers are just staring at the door. Sorry, window. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, oh my gosh. What did I just use? These?
Right.
Okay, that's perfect. Hi, Sprout. You little Sidley and you little Cos. Okay, what are you doing, everyone? You're going to do your work. Let's go to sleep. I want to sleep with Pebble, but I'm sorry. I'm going upstairs.
Don't forget to turn off if you sleep.
Oh yeah, I forgot to turn off Pebble's room. Oh my god, how many times I had to tell you. Okay, I had some lights here. Pebble, stop jumping. I had to go back to my room. Everything is night. And I had some... Oh, I already turned off the... Oh, it's not
Good
17.
morning.
Oh, turn off? How? I'm just going to turn on. La la la. Pebble, how's it going? Oh, the lights are still open? What the flip? Did you open these? Good job. You didn't sleep all the time because you want to watch me? Bro. Okay, you guys, where's Cosmo? Okay, Cosmo, do your work. What are you doing door. Okay, Cosmo, tell Sprout to get out the door. You're listening. What the flip?
Wag ito.
Ginger, what are you doing? Ginger! Okay. Sprout, get off the door. Why? I just wanna go home. Okay. That's good. Thank you. God, how many times I had to tell myself? Let's see Pebble. Oh, okay. Hey, sorry, I pushed you. It's your favorite toy, this boat here, right? I didn't know like a rainbow band-aid, so I'm sorry. Bandana, so I'm sorry, Pebble. I have no rainbow bandana. I think I left in the garden field. I forgot about Shelly. I'm sorry, Shelly. I didn't meant to do it. Okay, Flutter, Shelly, Oscar. Where's the pigeon? No, I think where's the Sprite. Digging. Rudy, Poppy, Dandy, Gliston, Cole, Bobbit, Louie, Roger, Flutter, Shelly, Pebble, Connie, Buxton, Sprout, Scraps, Brightly.
Jenna, look what I found. Go to outside. Look at the location.
Sipon.
Ito.
Alo.
Slide.
Hi.
Did you remember this?
Yeah, I wanna go slide. I can't swim fast enough. Uy, it's so fast. Pwede magawa yung mga bubbles pero mas mabilis.
Uy.
Bubbles, you know.
Bubbles. Tingnan ko nga.
Soul stone, yung mga soul. Going down. Ayun o.
Ah,
Ayun na
to.
ginawa. Ayan na, ito mga soul stones. Ayan o. Ito kuya. Ito yung mga to yung naka-brown. Hindi.
Yun nga. Gugawa ko to.
Hindi sa slide. Oh, bilis. I just go. Ito yung mga to.
Jump yan na kaya. Ito.
Hindi yun. Hindi yan low gravity. Ano, parang medium gravity. Break the slide! Eh? Why it's
Eh?
not working?
Eh?
Naka-work siya dito.
Ako,
Yes. Wow.
Wee, wee. naka-work. Finally. Ready, set, go. It's so bumpy. Yung soul stones pwede dito hanggang dito sa slide. Dito. Pwede sa slide din. Slide. Para mas mabilis. Let's see Pebble. Pebble?
We'll be right
Oh,
back.
There you are. Oh.
I'm going to mansion.
Oh, stop staring.
No.
I stopped it.
Let's go to your old house.
Why?
It's like a tree.
Rainbow.
Bagal sa akin.
Ako din.
First tayo. Mansion elephant.
I stopped Pebble's tail. Look.
Need take care of world. Sana wag mo i-delete ang Minecraft mo.
Because my Pebble is inside. Pebble.
Clear. Yeah, follow me. Tara, sa annex. Let's fix this. Kung ano ginagawa dito.
More.
Ito is Jinjiro. In the ground.
Rainbow. I'm sorry, but I forgot. Teka, old account mo to?
Yeah. I got save my world. Pinasave ko lang to. Buti ito, save.
Kala ko pa
Ito yung lumang version. Tapos ngayon, hanggang ngayon, ito pa. Ito, pati tindahan mo.
Let's try.
Ito yung ginawa mong tindahan. You got diamonds. Ito, kwarto ko. Bayan. Ito, kwarto ko. And, kwarto mo. Parang ito yung lamesang purple, no? Ito yung purple lamesa. Pink. I think pink. Wow. Yana. That's creepy. Looks sad, Flips. Oh.
Patay.
Ano ba? Akala ko creepy. Natakot. Lungkot sa to, pang inuman.
Dati, hindi takot ka.
Ikaw nilagay ito, oh. Yan, oh. Kuya Iso. Titing.
Sulot! Sulot, sulot! Una ka dyan, isa ka dyan. Huwag yan. Huwag sila mong kuya.